Hello everyone, we are pitching the idea MediQuick. This is the prototype that we have created to solve the problem of patient in managing their healthcare records. The dashboard contains the basic details of the patients.
In my hospital feature, there is a account of all the hospital which patient is going.
In next features, in e-prescription, all the prescription of the patient is maintained, which is written by the doctors that he has ever visited.
Next feature is about lab reports, in which all the lab reports are where your reports are there. They are registered here or recorded here.
In next feature, medicine alarm feature, this will help the patient in maintaining the proper intake of medicine.
In 15-minute delivery option, there is a generic medicine which we can order from here.
This will make the patient more efficient to have a medicine at any time and anywhere.
See, like we can track the order from here, we can get the delivery partners
details. In next feature, this is the doctor consulting feature. If any patient is that is not able to go to hospitals, they can book their appointment from here only by clicking some details. You can see that we can able to have a chat with them. Next feature is insurance.
The next feature is about health insurance. It shows that which policies actively you have. Then we can prefer from your medical history. We will prefer to that your insurance premises will be low.
We will suggest you the insurance policies according to your need. You can also apply for a Mediclaim within a few minutes, within a few clicks. Like you have to only add the PDF that we have already provided to you.
Then there is a feature of emergency call. When any uncertainties or accident happen, so you can call on this option and nearly all the hospitals will get notified.
Nearby hospital will be that this patient is coming with all the details of the patient, like past histories, which problem he is having. We also have created this software that this is the management software. Like the previous software will be managed by here. Like doctors have this software. Like they can able to generate reports, add new patients. They also can able to
see the appointments. Then they can write the new prescriptions, and there is a medical record option that all the records will be recorded here. Then we have the feature of lab results, in which all the laboratory are interlinked and all the laboratory reports will be shown here.
Basically same as the admin account. All the features are there in different account, like doctor account, pharmacy account and laboratory. This will help the patient to have a proper data. This will efficiently make more connective and have proper healthcare records to the patient. Thank you.